Hey everyone, it's Clayton here with Tekmods, and today I'm just going to be making a quick video showing the pre-modded Wii. So this is the SunDriver mod, and I'm just going to go over quickly how to set up the SunDriver after you purchased either the installation or the pre-modded Wii with the SunDriver mod chip. So what you're going to want to do to actually set this up is first plug into your Wii and plug in all the proper cords, and then from there all you're going to want to do is simply take that USB cable, plug that into your one end into your computer, take the other end and plug it into your Wii, power it on, and then on your computer you're going to have some files here. You have this file that you will be able to download from the description. I will post a link in the description to where you'll actually be able to download this file. After you download and extract this file, it'll extract to this folder, and then open up the folder. Simply go in and select the Sun ISO application version 0.15, and then go down to properties. I don't know how well you guys can see this right now, so I'll turn it a bit. Hopefully that'll help. So go into your properties, go to compatibility, run this program for compatibility mode for Windows XP, and then run this program as an administrator also, and then hit apply. You'll only need to do this if you're on Windows Vista or Windows 7, and the reason is if you launch the program and you don't have those settings set, it just simply will not notice your SunDriver is plugged in. So after you have those settings done, you'll simply be able to open this up, and you should have this program that looks exactly like this. I'm just going to shrink it down a bit for you guys so that it fits in. Okay, so what we're going to want to do from here is simply set up our settings. So you're going to want to format it. Then upload NGC menu. You can simply go back, go to your desktop, go to the folder that you have the actual menu program in, which should be in the actual folder that was extracted earlier. Select the Sun menu version 7, open it up. It'll load that onto your SunDriver. This only takes a few seconds. Now, from here, you're going to want to select your actual settings for your game. So you're going to want to select, mine's a USA console. I'm going to also want to block the Wii upgrade, and I'm going to want to use the NGC game menu. You can also change the menu skin and do other things like that, but I'm not going to get into that. I'm just going to show you how to properly set up your files. So there's this window here that you can have the ISOs on in the SunDriver, and then copy ISOs to the SunDriver. That's what you will want to select, is copy ISOs to SunDriver. Then from there you'll just simply be able to browse for the files. Mine are on another hard drive. There we go. So I have these two games. They're both backup copies. I'll show the original copies right here. So they're just backup copies of my games. So we'll just simply select your backup copy and select open. You can also, if you do shift select, you'll be able to select more than one ISO at the same time. So I have both selected right now, and then select open. You'll see they will now be in the copy ISOs to SunDriver window. Simply select both of them, and You will also have covers for some of the games. Not all of the games will have a cover. If they don't have a cover, they'll just show that Wii sign. So, simply what you're going to want to do now is download to SunDriver. So, you're going to want to also use the Sun ISO format. This will save you a bit of space. So once you have the Sun ISO format selected and your game selected that you want to copy over, simply select download to SunDriver. And this will take a few minutes. I'm going to simply skip over this. No one wants to watch a loading bar. So this will complete, and then after that I will show you what happens next. So okay, so now that has finished copying the games over to my SunDriver, you'll see the ISOs in SunDriver, and then you should see the 2 games that we installed. So now what you're going to simply want to do is unplug the USB cable from your SunDriver. After you've done that, simply close the program, close this. I'm going to switch back over to my video channel. Okay, so now let's just select the GameCube menu. Select Start. It will search for the games, and then you will see the 2 games that we installed. You may see more if you have installed more, but I only have the 2 installed. So, to select a different game, what you're going to want to do is press the reset button. That will make the pointer be pointing at a different game. And then to switch to a different page, if you have multiple games installed, which if you have 10 or 20, you're going to have a couple pages. So to skip pages, you will double click reset. And then after you found the game that you want to play, simply hit eject. And then after you press eject, the game should boot as soon as your Wii boots. So it takes around 2 seconds, and then it should boot the game up. You won't need to do anything. And then now all you need to do is go through the game, and it should boot up. So after it does boot up, I'll quickly show you guys that how to actually make it so that you can boot back into the GameCube menu, because if you don't do it this proper way, because when you turn off your Wii, and if you just turn it on by the power button, it'll go back into the game. So if you want to go back into the GameCube menu, simply press eject, and turn your Wii on by pressing eject. Press A to continue, and then you will be back at your GameCube menu. So that's everything, and thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe, and don't forget to check the description for a link for the download of the program, and a link to the actual products that I mentioned about Tekmods. So thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe.